I've had airplanes maintained all across the country. What sets Stevens apart, number one, they are incredibly professional, but at the same time, very, very friendly and welcoming. They know their stuff, they know how to communicate their stuff. The thing that really sets them apart is they have one guy who is assigned to you. We've got a guy who is a go-between between me and Stevens. He's also a representative for Embraer. So he knows everything that Embraer knows everything that Stevens knows everything that I know, and he takes that knowledge and works it to my benefit, which is incredible. I've got a guy who explains to me what's going on, who I trust, who I know is on my team, and his number one concern is that I'm a happy customer with a safe airplane.